Sanford, the UK concept preschool chain with state-of-the-art infrastructure and international standards, where learning begins with role-play models, interactive classroom, and creative corner. We not only teach alphabet, rhyme, and colors, rather we nurture the future leaders. Our teachers are trained to apply a unique approach to groom every individual child. More than 80,000 alumni, 12,000 plus students on roll.
Hi, I am S.K. Rathore, founder and CMD of Sanford Group of Schools. And we started first preschool in 1999.
Sanford is a UK concept preschool chain. We have 200 plus branches across the nation.
We are pioneer to partner with Trinity College London, whereas we focus on the language development of children. Our teachers are also trained by the experts of Trinity College London, and we are also active member of British Association for Early Childhood Education and Preschool Learning Alliance.
Brand started, owned and managed by renowned, highly qualified and experienced educationists and professionals. 100% business-oriented approach, readily available Sanford education system of international standard, proven business model, refined strategies and a best support system in the industry. Complete hand-holding and support to a franchisee to establish and run their school successfully.
In December 2009, we come up with our franchise model.
I, Jaya Mittal, branch head of Sanford Swanjantipuram, the very first branch of Sanford Group of Schools. It's been 8 years. We really appreciate the efforts of management and head office team who are giving support to us for the development of child skill.
Myself Nishtha Gupta, Director of Sanford Vishwasnagar. We are associated with Sanford brand from January 2017 and the journey till now is wonderful.
I'm Rani Kanchandani and I'm the franchisee owner of Daraganj branch. Our journey with Sanford School began in January this year itself, and the journey has truly been a wonderful one.
When it comes to unit franchisee, the support is excellent in terms of academics, in terms of operational. When it comes to master franchisee, support comes in terms of sales and marketing and better planning. So everything has been incredible so far. I am truly satisfied after taking the Sanford franchisee.
अभी तक इस जर्नी में हम 50 से ज़्यादा बार अवार्ड किए जा चुके हैं. And very recently, I was awarded as the India's greatest leaders in the preschool category.
Sanford has bagged 53 prestigious awards so far, including Best Preschool Chain 2018 by ASSOCHAM, India's Greatest Brand by Asia 1, Best Preschool Chain National, Emerging Preschool Chain by Franchisee India, and placed in top 5 preschool chains in India.
We have always seen our kid growing day by day. She has learned a lot. Not only she, but as parents, we also have received timely updates and tips on parenting from the school side, which makes this school really the best choice for our kid.
As a parent, we are really very happy and satisfied with this school.
Support we have got from the Sanford, we are quite happy and satisfied parents.
Thank you so much, Sanford, for making my kids so smile and happy.
I learn and Sanford to be creative, to be confident, to be imaginative.
Now my vision is to take up this branch to more than 500 schools by 2020. So I would like to invite more and more people to join Sanford as franchise partner and become a part of our successful journey.
Thank you for loving Sanford.